Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Shane. I study in 1st PUC at RN Shetty PU College, Kundapura. As we all know, India is a land of festivals. There are a lot of festivals celebrated in our country with great joy and happiness. One such festival is Onam. Onam is the festival that brings togetherness in all communities in Kerala. On this day, religion, caste or creed is of no importance. One of the most important festivals of India in where people celebrate it with great zeal. Similarly, activities of this festival are famous all over India for their grand scale and delicious meal. We will take a look at various festivities and celebrations like Onam, Pookalam, etc. The harvest festival of Onam generally begins between August end and the start of September. In other words, during Malayalam month of Chingam. We celebrate the festival to welcome the mythical king Mahabali. It is believed that the spirit of him visits the state during Onam. It has a very interesting mythological story behind it. The festival originates from the ancient times of Lord Vishnu. On the day, he transformed himself into a dwarf Brahmin Vamana. In this avatar, he went to attend Yagam which King Mahabali was hosting. Thus, Vamana made a request of 3 of lands. Mahabali, even though was a Asura king, was known to be very generous and kind to his people. However, then the dwarf started to grow bigger in size, claiming the earth and heaven. As the dwarf covered the whole land, sparing nothing, King Mahabali made an offer of his own head to keep his word. However, he kept a condition that he would be allowed to visit his people's homes every once a year. Thus, we celebrate it as King Mahabali's homecoming. People all over Kerala celebrate this festival for 10 days. Each of these festival day carries unique importance. Thus, people celebrate each of them uniquely. The celebrations reflect the rich culture and history of Kerala. In other words, this festival is no less than a carnival of 10 days in the state. The Onam dance is quite popular throughout the country. Some of the traditional ones that perform are Kathakali, Pulikkali, Kummatakali, Kaikottikali, etc. Similarly, the traditional snake boat race is also a major attraction during the festival. We refer to it as Vallam Kali. There are 100 men on each boat who do the rowing. The race occurs in the river Pamba. Other popular races include Nehru Trophy race and Uttarakatatti boat race. Another important aspect of this festival is Onam Sadhya. It is a feast that contains a very much variety of vegetarian dishes. It is a unique and lavish and served on the last day of festival on banana leaves. A huge variety of dishes and prepared and people serve it on the banana leaf. Further, there's Onam Pookalam that is basically flower carpet. People make the flower decorations in front of their houses on welcoming King Mahabali. All in all, Onam is a festival that unites the people of Kerala. It is a festival that erases all the boundaries that we have created. People celebrate it with joy and enthusiasm and enjoy the day to the fullest. That's it. Thank you and have a nice day.